Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix DirectX 12 is not supported on your system error on Daemon X Machina game. So if you are also coming through this error, then go through the methods discussed in this video. So let's go through it. So the first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and now here under launch option you need to type -dx11 and then check if the problem is resolved or not. If not, you can type -windowed and then see if this resolves the problem. If not, move to the next solution. The next solution is to check system requirements. Make sure you check the system requirements for the game you are playing. So for that, go to Steam, go to the store page and search for your game. After that, go below and here you can find the system requirements that is required to play the game. So make sure you have those requirements and after that try to check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now go below, expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then again click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating your drivers, now check if the problem is resolved or not. Next is to install DirectX. So for that I have provided the link in the description. Just copy it and paste it in your browser. After it opens, go below and click on download option. So after the DirectX is downloaded, now install it on your system and after that try to check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. This will verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now try to check if the problem is fixed or not. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. Now you will see Windows update page. You need to click on check for updates option. If there is any update available, update your Windows and after that check if the problem is resolved or not after launching the game. If the issue continues, then you should reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on uninstall and once again click on uninstall. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your system once and then launch Steam and again reinstall the game and then try to play and see if the issue or the error that you are coming across is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.